Okay, we're back here on site. It's Thursday morning, the 24th, and everything's going well. We've got we're installing the cinches now, and we're getting our development length. We're noticing that the pediments are, differently spaced. So on one elevation, the cinches might be a little tighter than others. This over here, the cinches are longer. And the question we have today is, when we do the cinches at the ground here, what we're getting is, you're getting a significant amount of slide in the net, which may not be significant. I just happened to notice it. And say this was engaged, it slides, 8 inches here. So the techs that are installing this thought they wanted to just run it by you. This bottom cable here of the net, if you might want to run our half-inch anchor cable that's going between the davits, we have the opportunity to thread that into the bottom of the net at all locations. So we wanted to see if that was an extra level of stability that you might want to have us do. Okay. We're also going to just show you a corner. Is this corner done?
Yeah, it's done.
So we've got everything terminated here. And as I said, we're going to fasten this one back here. But in general, everything's going very
Well, yeah, I don't know.
well.